dear students, this is the revision class for PT second, and today we will revise chapter 8 from our Moments textbook. Chapter name is A House is Not a Home. Now first of all, anyone can tell me what is the difference between house and home? 9th B, anyone can tell me what is the difference between house and home? Yes, Siddhi.
A house is made up of bricks and all the things, but the home is made up of relationship and all love
Yes.
and.
Yes, Vaidehi.
Ma'am, a house is made up of bricks, cement, and a home is made up of relationships, happiness, and other sort of.
So we can say both have given the correct answer. We can say a house is made up of the things whatever we need when we build a house, like that cement, bricks, water, etc. Okay, but home is also building. But in home, when we live with our family members, with our relatives, we love each other. There is an emotional bond between our family members. So this is the difference between a house and a home. This story reflects the challenges of being a teenager and the problems of growing up. Now, what do you understand by teenager?
13 to 19.
13 to 18.
18 to 19 years, we can say. Though that age is known as teenager. And the problems of growing up. How does the author overcome his problem? So, in this chapter, author has written about himself. How when he was in his when he shifted one place to another, that time what happened with him, how he overcome on that situation, that only descriptions he has written in this chapter. Now I am starting the chapter. My first year of high school felt awkward. Awkward means very strange. So that was the first year of his high school and he was feeling very strange, very different. Awkward means strange. After leaving junior high at the head of my class, with all the seniority the upper grade levels could afford me, it felt strange starting over as a freshman because as he changed his school, he was a fresher in the new school. The school was twice as big as my old school. Twice means 2 times. That the new school was big than his earlier school. And to make matters worse, my closest friends were sent to a different high school. And in that new school, author has not friends from that old school. So he was feeling very strange because there were many classmates in his class, but he was not familiar with them. I felt very isolated. Isolated means what? Lonely. He was feeling very alone in that class. I miss my old teachers so much that I would go back and visit them. So these things happens with us also. If we change our school, of course we are always familiar with our school teacher. And if you will also go in a new school, that the new teacher also they will be strange for you, they will be strangers for you. And if you want to ask anything, you will feel hesitate because you are not familiar with them. So the same thing happened with the author. I miss my old teachers so much that I would go back and visit them. And he was thinking like that I should visit them. It means he was thinking that again I have to go in that my old school and I have to look at my teachers. They would encourage me and what they were doing? Kirtan. They were motivating him. They were encouraging him. Encourage means utsahit karna in Hindi we can say. To get involved in school activities and what the teachers of his old school, what they were doing, they were always motivated him to take part in that activities of his school so that I could meet new people. They told me that in time I would adjust and probably end up loving my new school more than I had my old one. And what they were telling to him, they were telling to him that in your new school also, you always participate in the new activities. So like this you will very soon be familiar with your new classmates and the new teachers. They made me promise that when that happened, I would still come by and visit them from time to time. And they told to him like that whenever you will have time, you come in your old school and visit us also. Yes, beta. Kirtan, stand up. What? Who was telling to him is all these things that you should take part in the activities of your school? But a poet is who writes a poem. That is known as poet. Dhanraj, stand up. Beta, this thing happens when we are not paying attention. Chapter is not hard, beta. The thing is, if we will give our proper attention, then only we will be able to understand. Dhanraj, stand up.
His parents.
Very good. Yet we have not studied about parents. Parents word also not. Yes. Who sits between both of them? Stand up. Siddhi, pause the video. Pause, huh? They made me promise that when that happened, I would still come by and visit them from time to time. I understood the psychology in what they were saying, but I took some comfort in it nonetheless. One Sunday afternoon, not long after I had started high school, I was sitting at home at our dining room table doing homework. Now anyone can tell me which tense is used in this line? I was sitting at home at our dining room table doing homework. Which past I'm giving you? Past continuous, past perfect, or present continuous? Kirtan. Past continuous tense, because the helping verbs of past continuous tense was and were, and with I always use was. I was sitting at home, and now the author is saying that one Sunday afternoon, when he was sitting at home on dining table and doing his homework, school homework. It was a cold and windy fall day, and we had a fire going in our fireplace because that was the winter season. So there was they got fire in the fireplace. As usual, my rat tabby cat. Now the important character of this chapter, that the author had one cat also. My rat tabby cat was lying on top of all my papers, purring loudly. Purring means what? Making sound. Again I am telling you, try to learn in English only. Tabby, fatty, like that fur, we can say furry and fatty. Purring loudly and occasionally sweating at my pen for entertainment's sake. So now the what cat was actually doing, first of all cat sat on the paper, the papers which were there on the table, and later then that cat was making different sound. Loudly means very loudly, in a shout way we can say. She was never far from me, and she always, that cat, she is used for the cat. Cat always sits with the author. She never leave him alone whenever he was in his house. She was never far from me. Far. What is the opposite of far? Near. We can say she always sits near of the author. I had rescued. Rescued means saved. So now author is saying how he got this cat. So I had rescued because he had saved the life of the cat. I had rescued her when she was a kitten. Kitten means when she was very little, small. She was a kitten. And somehow she knew that I was the one responsible for giving her the good life. And when that cat was kitten, means that he was a very little, very small, that time author had saved himself. So the cat was thinking that only that is the person who is responsible for this my good life. My mother kept stalking. Stalking means what? Feeding. Feeding and tending the fire. My mother kept stalking the, the meaning is keeping the fire.
Yes.
My mother kept stalking the fire to keep the house. So now the author's mother, what she is doing? She was making fire. Stalking is mean woods again and again. She was keeping at the fireplace. So again there will fire. My mother kept stalking the fire. See, feeding means how the I am using this word feeding means because she wanted to at the fireplace she wanted to make fire. So she was feeding means what is the feeding? Feeding word used for the wood. She was applying there the woods to make a fire. The fire to keep the house nice and warm. And while she was making fire to warm her house because that was the cold season and we also need warmness in the cold season. Suddenly I smelled something strange and suddenly author, I refers to the author. Suddenly author smelled something strange and then I noticed it. Smoke pouring in through the seams of the ceiling. The smoke began to fill the room so quickly and later then author noticed that very fastly smoke was pouring in his house. It means one incident happened in his house. Fell down, spread. To fill the room so quickly that we could barely see. And before that time, author never seen this type of incident happen in his house. First time. Seems, dikhna, looks. Groping our way to the front door, we all ran out into the front yard. So, because they understood that something happened in their house, so they all came out from the house. By the time we made our way outside, the whole roof was engulfed in flames. Engulfed means covered by flames. Flames means the fire, flames of fire. And it was spreading quickly in whole author's house. I ran to the neighbors to call the fire department and suddenly author went to neighbor's house because they will call the fire department. While I watched my mother run back into the house, at the same moment author looked like that his mother was entering into that house which got fired. And it was very dangerous na? If a house got fire and if we will enter in that house, then there will be something happen with us also. Then also his mother went into that house. My mother then ran out of the house carrying a small metal box full of important documents. And why she entered in that house? Because she brought out the important documents that she kept in a box, because important documents she needs also in future. She dropped the case on the lawn and in crazed state ran back into the house and again she went into that house. I knew what she was after. My father had died when I was young and I was certain that she was not going to let his pictures and letters go up in flames. And why second time she went into the house? Last one, yes beta, stand up. When first time she went, she brought a box, a metal box, and in that box, what was there? Important documents. Now again she went. Why? Yes, beta. Mahi. It means the letters of author's father, the letter which sent by his father to his mother, and the pictures of his father. Because now he is not alive, and she didn't want to burn these all things because that all the pictures and the letters important for author's mother, because this was the only memory of her husband. They were the only things that she had to remember him by. Still I screamed at her, "Mom, no!" And author started to shout like, "Mom, don't go in that house." I was about to sit down with her. I was about to run after her when I felt a large hand hold me back. And as author also wanted to enter in that house, suddenly he found that backside of himself one person and who hold his hand. It was the fireman who was there backside of the sit down beta fireman, because when he informed to neighbors, they called the fire department, so the fireman came there. I had not even noticed that the street had already filled with fire trucks, and till that author didn't know about it, that the firemen came there and the fire trucks also were there. I was trying to free myself from his grasp, yelling means shouting. He was crying that you don't understand, my mother is in there. Then the author was saying to the fireman that you are not understanding why I am running behind my mother, because she is there in that house, and if something will happen with her, then what I will do, because the mother was there, only two members were there in his family. He held on to me while other firefighters ran into the house. He knew that I was not acting very logically, and that if he were to let go, I would run. He was right. It's all right, they will get her. Then the fireman replied that don't worry about your mother. Firemen, they will bring your mother out of the house very safely, he said. He wrapped a blanket around me, so he kept a blanket around the author and set me down in our car. Soon after that, a fireman emerged. Emerge means appear. Suddenly, a fireman came out from the house with author's mother. From our house with my mom in tow. He quickly took her over to the truck and put an oxygen mask on her. And later, then fireman put oxygen mask on the author's mother. I ran over and hugged her. All those times I ever argued with her and hated her vanished at the thoughts of losing her. She is going to be okay, said the fireman. She just inhaled a little smoke. Inhaled a little smoke. Breathe. And then he ran back to fight the fire while my mother and I sat there dazed. Dazed means dazed. Like in unconscious situation we can say, because she came from that burned house, so she was not able to take a proper breath. Dazing. I remember watching my house burn down and thinking that there was nothing I could do about it. And now suddenly in front of the author's eyes, this incident happened and he was not able to do anything. 5 hours later, the fire was finally out. It means how much time? 5 hours later, everything was okay. Our house was almost completely burned down. But then it struck me I had not seen my cat. And later then, idea came in the author's mind that where is my cat? Because he didn't do this 5 to 6 hours over and yet cat was not there. But then it struck me I had not seen my cat. Where was my cat? Much to my horror. And this was a horror for the author because he loved too much his cat. I realized that she was nowhere to be found. Then all at once it hit me. The new school, the fire, my cat. I broke down in tears and cried and cried. And suddenly he was thinking like that, this is my new school, I lost my old school also, I lost my house also, and I lost my cat also. I was suffering loss big time. So he started to think like this, everything I am losing in my life. The firemen would not let us go back into the house that night, and that the firemen, when they went from that place, they informed to the author and to his mother that this night you will not enter in the house because maybe there is something happened with you. It was still too dangerous. And why he denied to enter that house? Because it is the dangerous. If there in each corner, if there will be burn, then this incident again happened with you. Dead or alive. I could not imagine living without knowing about my cat. Regardless, I had to go. We piled into the car with just the clothes on our backs and a few of the firemen's blankets. And when because that night they have to sleep in the car only, because fireman told him that this night you please don't enter in your house. So that night, and the blanket who was given to them? Fireman. Fireman given them blanket and made our way to my grandparents' house to spend the night. So that night they were not there in their car. They sat in their car and they went to their grandparents' house. The next day, Monday, I went to school. When the fire broke, this incident happened on Sunday. Because we studied now when he was writing his homework on his dining table, that was the Sunday. So now the next Monday he went to school. When the fire broke out, I was still wearing the dress I had worn to church that morning, but I had no shoes. I had kicked them off when I was doing my homework. They became yet another casualty of the fire, so I had to borrow some tennis shoes from my aunt. Why couldn't I just stay home from school? My mother wouldn't hear of it, but I was totally embarrassed by everything. The clothes I was wearing looked weird. Weird means very strange. The clothes, because that day he lost everything, the clothes and everything burned in that house. So in the same dress he went to the school and he was feeling very strange, very weird. Means he was feeling very awkward. The clothes I was wearing looked weird. I had no books or homework and books and nothing he has. The more I tried to fit in, the worse it got. Why was I destined to be an outcast and a geek all my life? That's what it felt like. I didn't want to grow up, change or have to handle life if it was going to be this way. I just wanted to curl up and die. So now he lost everything and he's lost his hope also. Now there was not any other ray of hope in his life. So he was thinking that now I should die because there is nothing remaining in my life. Everything I have lost. Huh? Curl up. So he wanted to change this situation and what he wanted to die only. I walked around school like a zombie. Everything felt surreal and I was not sure what was going to. Zombie means everything for himself, very strange. He was not feeling good in that school that day only. Why? Because he had not anything remaining, books, homework, etc. Everything he lost. Only that dress, whatever there was on his body, that one dress remaining with him. I was not sure what was going to happen. Sorry. Everything felt surreal and I was, surreal means we can say all the strange things. I was not sure what was going to happen. All the security I had known from my old school, my friends, my house and my cat had all been ripped away. Ripped means all vanished from his life. All disappear in his life. सब कुछ गायब हो गया था उसकी लाइफ से. That is the cat, friends, old school and everything. There was nothing with him. When I walked through what used to be my house after school that day, I was shocked to see how much damage there was. Whatever had not burned was destroyed by the water and chemicals, and whatever the things which were not burned, that was the damaged by chemicals. Because of when the firemen came there, they applied waters and the chemicals to stop the fire. Had used to put out the fire. Put out means rokna, to stop the fire. The only material things not destroyed were the photo albums, documents and some other personal items that my mother had managed to heroically rescue. Heroically means just like a hero. She entered in that house and she saved these pictures and these the important documents. But my cat was gone and my heart ached means pain, sorrow, dukh for her, and he was feeling very sorrow for his cat because cat was not there. There was no time to grieve. My mother rushed me out of the house. We would have to find a place to live and I would have to go buy some clothes for new school. We had to borrow money from my grandparents because there were no credit cards, cash or even any identification to be able to withdraw money from the bank. Everything had gone up in smoke. That week, the rubble is a currency that used to be our house was being cleared of the lot. Even though we had rented an apartment and later then we started to live in a rent house. Apartment nearby. I would go over to watch them clear away debris, hoping that my cat was somewhere to be found, and still he was searching his cat. She was gone. I kept thinking about her as that vulnerable little kitten. In the early morning, when I would disturb her get out of bed, she would tag along after me, climb up my rope, crawl into my pocket to fall asleep. I was missing her terribly. And now, very terribly, he was missing his cat, because whenever he was sleeping, she was there with him on his bed also. It means every time she sits with the author, so he was missing her. Terribly means बहुत उसको
बहुत बुरी तरह
closely miss कर रहा था उसको. It always seems that bad news is spread quickly, and this bad news, it means that author's house got a fire. This bad news is spread very soon, because this we know, bad news always spread very soon in the comparison of
Good news. Yes, ma'am.
And in my case, it was no different. Everyone in high school, including the teachers, was aware of my plight. Plight means that incident. It did grief. I was embarrassed as if somehow I were responsible. What a way to start off at a new school. This was not the kind of attention I was looking for. The next day at school, people were acting even more strange than usual. I was getting ready for gym class at my locker. People were milling around me, asking me to hurry up. I thought it strange, but in the light of the past few weeks, nothing would surprise me. It almost seemed that they were trying to show me into the gym. Then I saw why. There was a big table set up with all kinds of stuff on it, just for me. And later, then when he went there in the gym, he found that there was a many things for the author, whatever necessary for the author. And who was providing all the things? His new classmates. They collected money and they brought all the necessary things for the author. So now the author will understand that no one is a strange for us, because in that good situation they were not talking with the author, but in the bad condition, when they heard about that this incident happened with the author, they all collected money and they brought the necessary things for the author. Just for me, they had taken up a collection and bought me school supplies, notebooks, supplies means necessary things, notebooks, all kinds of different clothes, jeans, tops, sweatsuits. It was like Christmas, and now the author was feeling that that is the Christmas day, because on Christmas we got a gift. So that show. Where is that word?
It also seems that they were trying to show me in the
They had taken me a collection of notebooks, all kinds.
Ma'am, in the
jeans.
fourth line.
In this stanza only.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Asking me to hurry up, I thought it's strange, but in the light of the past few weeks, nothing.
It almost seemed that they were trying to show me.
It almost seemed that they were trying to show me. They were trying to take me in the gym, because there was the things they kept in the gym, the whatever things they bought from the market, because they wanted to show that there is a surprise for you in the gym. So very hurriedly, very fastly, they took him into the gym. People who had never spoken to me before were coming up to me to introduce themselves, and the people, those never spoke with the author, they were also they were also talking with the author, and they were showing their love to the author, they were showing their emotions to the author. I got all kinds of invitations to their house, and that day all friends invited to him that please come to our house. Like that invitations also he got. Their genuine outpouring of concern really touched me, and genuinely when they were invited to him, he became very happy. In that instant, I finally breathed a sigh of relief, and later then his sigh means in Hindi we can say
लंबी सांस
मतलब एक आहा भरी रिलैक्स वाली. Later then he became relaxed and thought for the first time that things were going to be okay, and now he was thinking that now the things started to be okay, because now earlier everything he was losing. Old school he lost, cat also, and the things whatever with him there in that house. In my house also got fire, then everything he lost. But now this was the new home in his life, when his classmates and the people, those were stranger for the author, they provided him all the things. So he became happy. I made friends that day, and that day he made friends. A month later, I was at my house watching them rebuild it. But this time it was a different. I was not alone. But this time when he was rebuilding his house, means again reconstruct his house. He was not renovation. He was not alone because all the classmates of his new school, they were there with the author. I was with two of my new friends from school. It took a fire for me to stop focusing on my feeling of insecurity and open up to all the wonderful people around me. Now I was sitting there watching my house being rebuilt when I realized my life was doing the same thing. While we sat there on the curb planning of my new bedroom, I heard someone walk up to me from behind and say, "Does this belong to you?" And when they were there sat on the sofa, they heard a voice and there was a stranger came there and he heard a voice that this belonged to you. And what was there? There was cat. When I turned around to see who it was, I could not believe my eyes. A woman was standing there holding my cat. And who came there? A woman came there and with herself the author's cat was there. I lifted up and grabbed her out of the woman's arm. I held her. Lift up means author took that cat from that woman. I held her close to me and cried into that beautiful orange fur. She purred happily. My friends were hugging me, hugging the cat and jumping around. Apparently my cat had been so free. Apparently means because of these days when she left without the author, she became thin, and by the fire that she ran over a mile away. Because of this fire, when that cat saw that author's house caught fire, she ran from that house. Her collar had our phone number. And how that woman came there? Because in that cat's collar, author has written phone number. But our phones had been destroyed and disconnected. But because of this fire, this phone number disconnected. Phone also and phone number also destroyed and disconnected. This wonderful woman took her in and worked hard to find out whose cat it was. And this is the hard work of that woman who find out that this cat belongs to this house. Somehow she knew this cat was loved and sorely missed. And woman was thinking that surely this cat, whoever is this cat, he was missing that cat. As I sat there with my friends, my cat curled up in my lap. All the overwhelming feelings of loss and tragedy seems to diminish. Tragedy means this all the difficulties, the troubles, whatever happened with the author, this cat and his mother. I felt gratitude for my life. Now the author was feeling very thankful for his life because now everything was okay in his life. Now the things started to be okay in the author's life. My new friends, the kindness of a stranger and the loud purr of my beloved cat. My cat was back and so was I. Siddhi?